The built environment sector has got another boost to go green. The government is injecting another $20 million to an existing $52 million grant for green innovations.
National Development Minister Lawrence Wong announced this at the opening of the inaugural International Built Environment Week, organised by the Building and Construction Authority.
CARE is an air conditioning system supplier in Singapore. It uses this artificial intelligence system to make its processes more energy efficient and less complicated. The AI learns how to regulate aircon systems by monitoring building temperatures in real time autonomously. It's one of the companies in the Green Buildings Innovation Cluster, or GBIC, set up by the BCA in 2014 through a $52 million grant.
So our R&D program has been in operations for the last 5 or 6 years, but if it wasn't for the GBIC grants that were available, it would have been slower. So it's allowed us to accelerate, it's allowed us to deploy more manpower and more resources, and actually bring those energy efficiencies to the market sooner.
To encourage more green innovations like CARES, a $20 million top-up of the fund was announced. It's also to support BCA's drive towards super low energy buildings and to meet the country's climate change goals.
Buildings account for nearly 40% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. So we really need to make a collective effort to shift towards a more sustainable built environment sector and ensure that the infrastructure we build benefits not just those who use them today, but also future generations who will inherit our planet.
There's a lot of work to be done. We are halfway towards our 2030 target of greening 80% of the building floor area in Singapore. So we have done the first 40% over the last 14 years. We have a little bit over 10 years to get to the 80% mark.
Besides going green, companies are also going digital. A joint venture to build a cloud-based digital platform was announced as the first recipient of a $4 million grant announced last year. It's a tie-up with construction company Wohub and local tech company Hubble. With the platform helping to streamline project planning among construction firms, consumers will stand to benefit.
In construction, the end buyers are actually homeowners like everyone here. I think 4 things. If in construction we can build faster, we can build better, build safer, and most importantly for all consumers, build cheaper. I think eventually all the home prices, and we can feel the downstream impact of this.
The regional event will continue until Friday with a showcase of innovative technologies across the sector.